Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my XO Marshmallow box for March, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the point that I'm normally holding up a box, but it was just a brown box and you guys don't care about that. So instead I'll hold up marshmallows. I'm going to keep it covered because I haven't put on my glasses yet and I want it to be a surprise what our marshmallows are going to be. What is not the surprise is the bonus item. I'll get into that in a second though. XO Marshmallow is a subscription box that I did the advent calendar. I loved it. This is, I think, my third month getting it. I really enjoy it. It's a treat that my husband and I like. They last for, I think our last ones lasted for more than 2 weeks, and he was basically eating one and I was eating the other, just because when you're trying to be a little better, especially here at the first of the year, it's fewer calories. You don't feel quite as bad having one or two. So we really enjoyed last month's flavors. So I can't wait to see what this month's flavors are. Each month you get 2 boxes of 12 marshmallows in whatever the 2 flavors, each box is a different flavor, is for that month. I haven't seen this month's yet, so I'm very excited. The first month I got matcha, which was not my favorite, and lavender honey, which was delightful. And then last month we got cookies and cream, which was my favorite. That was awesome. And then we also got a turtle one, but my husband liked that more. It had nuts in it. I'm not a huge nut fan, so I let him have those. And with those 2 boxes, each month you get a bonus item. The first month I got the frother, to make milk for like coffees and that kind of thing with a stand. Last month we had a plastic heart cup looking thing. And this month we have coffee. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that first because when I took everything out of the box, first of all, I can tell by the packaging, but even without my glasses on, my nose, the second I opened the box, said, girl, you got coffee in here. So I knew either one of the marshmallows was a really strongly, and I don't know actually that that's not the case, flavored coffee scent, or there was coffee. And there is coffee. This seems like it's a pound of coffee, or like 12 ounces maybe. Isn't that what it is these days? Yes, 12 ounces, 340 grams. It's Cafe Femenino Quinceañera 15th Birthday Blend, a blend of beans from the women farmers of Cafe Femenino Coffee. That is what it looks like. So this is a full 12-ounce coffee blend. This is a heck of a bonus item. This is nice. It smells fantastic. This coffee was grown on farms owned and operated by women. When you choose Cafe Femenino, you choose a brand that provides direct compensation, leadership opportunities, and ownership rights to women, coffee farmers. And they are 100% Arabica beans. They are ethically sourced, fair trade, and USDA organic. So there's some nice beans right here, and they smell, I can't tell you, they smell fantastic. I should tell you the box is $29.95, which I know seems a little pricey for 2 boxes of marshmallows. They are such a treat. And then you also get a nice bonus item. Don't know if it's a box that I'll get forever, but for right now, I am really enjoying it. We generally also get a sticker each month. We have a little card that tells us a little bit about the people that make the coffee. The first box that we had, time to look down and do the spoiler. Oh, good luck getting these away from my husband. We have bourbon marshmallows. That is pretty darn cool. Wow, let's take them out and look at them. I don't generally open them up here because I've been doing an unboxing, so I will go downstairs and do a tasting with my husband. We've kind of been enjoying that lately, but this is what they look like. They're just white. The good news is I can't smell them at all through the plastic. So we have bourbon. I wonder if they really have bourbon in them. I bet not. Let's see. Oh, they have bourbon in them. So they do have bourbon in them. Don't give these to your kids. They have bourbon whiskey. Just so you know, these do have actual alcohol in them. And the other marshmallow is mine. Oh my gosh. It's like, you guys don't even know, his and hers marshmallows. This one's Irish coffee. That is so, wow. Yep, these are mine. This is what they look like. So they're the same. These are just whatever they've put in them has given them a different color. Let's look at the ingredients of this and see if it is also a adult treat. I don't know that. It says that it has Irish cream paste. So I'm betting that's not alcohol. Espresso extract, instant coffee, salt. Yeah. So I don't see anything in here that would lead me to believe that it is alcohol. These are gluten-free, egg-free, and preservative-free. They're all different. Not all of them are gluten-free. They all offer different things. This one is dairy-free, gluten-free, tree nut-free, and egg-free. See, this one they probably couldn't say dairy because I would bet the Irish cream paste probably has dairy in it. So you have to look at the back of each box that you choose. Okay, you know what comes next. This was just me talking about it. It's a $29.95 box. It comes once a month. They've leaned into, this is March, and we have an Irish cream coffee and a bourbon, so we're going for a St. Patty's Day celebration, I suspect. Our bonus was the coffee. This is definitely worth $29.95 to me this month because, I mean, this coffee is probably $15. I will try and let you know right here. This looks like something Whole Foods would carry, so I will let you know if I can find a price on this. Next, we go downstairs and we try. Okay, we are downstairs in my tasting space. I have my tasting partner here. We have the Irish cream and the bourbon marshmallows. We'll start with the bourbon because it's the one he's gonna like the best. When I took these out of the package, they're very, you guys don't love that word. They're very, what is another word for moist? They're sticky. They're sticky because they're a little damp. Is damp a better word? We'll go with damp. Bourbon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
It's mild though.
It is mild, but you can taste the bourbon, right?
Oh, absolutely.
When I read the ingredients upstairs, it said it had bourbon whiskey in it. So I would absolutely not give these to kids because you can absolutely taste the bourbon in it. Very good. And this is what this box looks like. I know it's been a matter of seconds for you guys. It's been a couple days for me, so I feel like I haven't shown you this in forever, but that was the box. And then these were the marshmallows. And see, they are crazy sticky in here. I've never had any from them that felt, see how I'm sticking to it? That felt this sticky, but that's okay because if you like bourbon, they're really good. And the other ones we have are the Irish cream. That's why I was saying these were his and hers. I am looking most forward to the Irish cream. Let's see what he thinks. Irish cream.
I can taste the coffee really comes through for me, and I'm not a big coffee fan, so.
He's making a face like I poisoned him. He got off coffee. At some point during COVID, he got off coffee, started drinking tea, so he doesn't drink that much coffee anymore. I, on the other hand, usually, I thought I had one sitting right here, usually have an iced coffee about this time of day. This is delightful. I can taste both the Irish cream and definitely the coffee. Definitely the coffee.
Yeah, definitely the coffee. But it's not overbearing. No.
So I would say our first impressions are the bourbon gets 2 thumbs up from both of us. Yes, he wishes he had more thumbs over there. This one gets 2 thumbs up from me. Do you give it any thumbs, or are you just giving it a?
Yeah, I'll give it a 1.
Okay. 4 thumbs, wishing we had more thumbs, and 3 thumbs up. I just really like these marshmallows, so I will see you guys again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys. Bye.